Morning students, we will start with the example 11 that is left out. Okay, quickly read the example. Devishi has got total 590 rupees. Okay, and she has got three different types of note: 50, 20 and 10. Okay, the ratio of 50 to 20 is 3 is to 5. Okay, and total she has got 25 notes. So ratio, always I told you, whenever ratio is given you have to take in form of x. So 50 and 20, 3x and 5x, and total she has got 25. So 10 rupee note will be 25 minus these two, so you have to add these two. It will be 3x plus 5x, 8x. So 25 minus 8x, that will be number of 10 rupee notes. So number of notes, okay, number of 20 notes is equal to 3x, 5x. Number of 50 notes is equal to 3x, and number of 10 notes will be 25 minus 8x. So understand this is a number of notes. कितने नोट्स है? 25 में से टोटल 25 नोट्स है, उसमें 20 के नोट्स 5x है, 50 के नोट्स 3x है और 10 के नोट्स 25 माइनस 8x है. ओके, अब अमाउंट में जाते हैं. अमाउंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? तो 3x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50 तो 150x है. 20 के कितने हैं? 5x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20 तो 100x है, बिकॉज हियर यू हैव गॉट 5x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20, 3x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50, and 10 is 25 minus 8x multiplied by 10. So all this 1, 2, 3 उनके जितने जितने नोट्स है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो यू गेट 250 माइनस 8x. सो यू गेट दिस इज द अमाउंट. अब टोटल मनी कितना है उसके पास? 590. So this plus this is 590. So 150x plus 100x plus 250 minus 80x, that is, you have to add all the x terms, 1 then 2 then 3, you have to subtract, so you get 170x plus 250 कितना है? 590. Okay, so this is your equation, and then you have to solve the equation by transporting 250 that side. Okay, and then removing 170, you solve the equation, you get the value of x. The value of x is 2. So after solving the equation you get x is equal to 2. Now the number of 50 is 3x, जो हमने देखा है यहाँ पे 3x है. तो 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 notes of 50, 25x है, 10 notes of 20, and 25 minus 8x, that is 8 into 16. तो 25 minus 16, 9 notes of 10. So 50 के 6 notes हैं, 20 के 10 notes हैं और 10 के 9 notes हैं. Okay, now turn the page, you go to exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2 we have done 3 sums already. Okay, so I will be discussing the other sums which we have not done. Okay, now the first sum is if you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number. See, subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2. So that is the case. First thing is you have to suppose the number is x. Subtract 1 by 2, that is x minus 1 by 2. And then multiplying it by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 multiplied by this, okay, is equal to 1 by 8. So this 1 by 2 you can take it that side because this is in denominator. Take it on the right hand side, it becomes in the numerator. Okay, so then 2 and 8 gets cancelled, so you get 1 upon 4. So x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. So x is equal to, transponding 1 upon 2 this side, you get 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Now here we have to take the LCM of 4 and 2. The LCM is 4, so you get 1 plus 2 upon 4 is 3 upon 4. So x is 3 upon 4. Okay, if you have not understood, I will send the pic of this solved sum. Okay, so you understand better. Okay, Now we go to the next sum. In the next sum we have already done sum number 2. Okay, so we go to sum number 3. Now in sum number 3, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3. Perimeter is given to you. Okay, now in isosceles triangle you have got two sides same. सो बेस का वैल्यू दिया है, दोनों साइड्स जो सेम है उसका कुछ दिया नहीं है. यू हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द आइदर रिमेनिंग इक्वल साइड्स की लेंथ हमें फाइंड करनी है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू सपोज दैट जो दो साइड्स इक्वल हैं वी हैव टू सपोज देम एज एक्स. वी हैव टू सपोज देम एज एक्स. ओके, सो लेट द लेंथ ऑफ द इक्वल साइड्स बी एक्स सेंटीमीटर. सो द पेरीमीटर विल बी, एक साइड तो दिया है, बेस तो दिया है 4/3 और दो इक्वल साइड्स विल बी एक्स और एक्स क्योंकि दोनों इक्वल है तो x प्लस एक्स. सो 4/3 प्लस 2x. ओके, नाउ फॉर द पेरीमीटर इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू. सो व्हेन यू ऐड दिस 4/3 x प्लस x you get this. This is your equation actually. Okay, now how to solve the equation? That is by transponding the side. First you transponded this side 4/3, then take the LCM, you will get 2x is equal to this much. Okay, then you can take 2 on this side because it is in numerator, this will come in denominator. Okay, and then you will have x ki value 21/15. Okay, now this again further you can reduce by cancelling and you get 7/5. 3 will get cancelled. Okay, so x is equal to 7/5. Then we go to the next sum, that is sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the other number. Okay, now sum of two numbers is 95. Okay, so one you have one smaller number, other is exceeding by 15, so let the smaller number be x. So the greater number will be x plus 15 because it is exceeding by 15, and when you add both you get 95. So x plus x is 2x and this is 15. So this is your equation. This is your equation, and then you have to solve the equation by transponding this side 15 and all. You get 2x is equal to 80, dividing by 2 you get x is equal to 4. So smaller number is 40, the greater number will be 40 plus 15, that is 55. So these two are the required numbers. Okay, then sum number 5 we have already seen. Example 10 I had told you. Now we go directly to example sum number 6. Okay, now for sum number 6 you have got three consecutive numbers. So consecutive numbers I had told you how to do, that is x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. These are the consecutive numbers. अगर और एक consecutive number पूछा हो तो x plus 3, x plus 4 like that. Okay, तो तीन ही पूछा है तो x, x plus 1 और x plus 2 और their sum is 51. So one consecutive number, second consecutive number, third consecutive number. When you add you get 51. So x 1, 2, 3. So 3x, 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is your equation. Then you solve the equation, transpose this 3 here, you get 51 minus 3, 48. Okay, and then take 3 on this side, you get x divided by x is equal to 48 divided by 3, you get 16. So value of x you got. Now the three consecutive numbers you have to find out. First number तो आ गया, second number is x plus 1 तो 17, third is x plus 2 तो 18. So the numbers are 16, 17 and 18. Now again sum number 7 we have already done. Okay, so I'll go to now sum number 8. Now in sum number 8 again three consecutive integers are there, but they have to be in increasing order multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so we first take three consecutive numbers x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. उनको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 2, 3 और 4 से. तो फर्स्ट नंबर को 2 से करना है तो x मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 हो गया. सेकेंड नंबर को 3 से करना है तो x प्लस 1 को 3 से करना है. थर्ड नंबर को 4 से करना है तो x प्लस 2 को 4 से. सो 2x, देन इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो 3x प्लस 3. तो ये एक नंबर हुआ, ये नेक्स्ट नंबर हुआ, and the third number is 4x plus 8. This is the third number. So 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. 3 numbers उनको ऐड किया तो क्या आता है 74. Okay, so 2x plus 3x plus 4x gives you 9x, and 3 plus 8 gives you 11. So this is your equation. And transporting 11 here, you get 9x is equal to 63, और 9 को इस तरफ लेके जाओ तो x will be 63 upon 9, that is 7. So first number x is 7, then x plus 1 will be 8 and x plus 2 will be 9. So 7, 8, 9 are the numbers. Okay. Now we go to the next sum, that is the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio of 5:7. Again ratio आया मतलब 5x और 7x. ओके, 4 years later मतलब इनमें से आपको 4 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. 4 years later मतलब 4 साल ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे इन दोनों में. ओके, और तब उनका सम कितना होगा? 56. सो 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. And 5x plus 7x is equal to 12x. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, which is equal to 56. Okay. So now this is your equation. ये आपका इक्वेशन है. अब इस इक्वेशन को आपको सॉल्व करना है, जो सिंपल आप जैसे सॉल्व करते हो वैसे. 8 को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है इस तरफ, तो 56 माइनस 8 48, और 12 को नीचे ले जाना है, तो 48 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 यू गेट 4. तो x की वैल्यू क्या आई? 4. ओके, और प्रेजेंट एज राहुल की कितनी है? 5x. तो 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 20, और प्रेजेंट एज हारून की कितनी है? दैट इज 7x. सो 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 इज 24, क्योंकि x की वैल्यू क्या है? 4 है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी गो टू द सम नंबर 10, दैट इज दिस. Okay, this is the last sum right now I will be discussing. Okay, an example, this 11 is, this sum number 11 is exactly same like example 11, so try it out. All other sums I will discuss next time. Now I will be discussing sum number 10. Okay, the number of boys and girls are again in the ratio 5:7. Again it will be 5x, 7x and 5x. The number of boys are 8 more than the number of girls. Okay, अब इसमें ये boys हैं और ये गर्ल्स है, तो बॉयज़ कितने हैं? 8 ज़्यादा है 5x से. दे आर 8, द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज आर 8 मोर देन गर्ल्स. गर्ल्स कितनी? 5x. 5x से 8 ज़्यादा मतलब 5x plus 8. ओके, एंड देन दैट मीन्स दिस इज योर इक्वेशन. दिस इज योर इक्वेशन. Okay, now transporting this 5x to this side, you get 2x minus is equal to 8, and x is equal to 8 upon 2, so x की value आई 4. Okay, now x 4, so you have to put in 7x and 5x, so you get 28 and 20. That's the answer. We'll discussing the next sums in the next class.